Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see what is the difference between line and polyline in AutoCAD software. So I'll open software. I'll be using the AutoCAD 2020 version. If you're using some other version, that's okay. There are no major changes in any of the versions. And I'll click on start drawing from here to open a new drawing area. So we always think what is the difference between line and polyline because they both look similar when we work. So I will make you understand what is the difference between line and polyline with an example. So I will draw two lines using the line command. So I drew two lines one after another using the line command. Now in the same way, I will use the polyline command and draw two lines one after another. Got it? So visually they look similar. We don't understand what is the difference. But technically there is a small difference. So to understand that, we have to try selecting the lines using crossing selection. So I'll start the crossing selection and I'm crossing only one line out of the two lines and I click over here and I was able to select only one line out of the two lines that I created using line command. Got it? So in the same way I will try selecting these lines here which I created using polyline. So I start the crossing selection and I cross only one line out of the two lines and I click over here, but both the lines got selected. Can you see that? So what we can understand from this example is that whenever you draw lines using the line command, they will be different objects. But whereas if you use a polyline and if you draw a line, they will be single object. So this is a single object now. So I hope you understood what is line and polyline now. So if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.